Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. This is the definition of strong verbs. A single verb which described the tone of action and stand alone to complete the sentence. That is called strong verb. Examples: man was eating his lunch, and this is वीक वर्ब यूज्ड. इसमें वीक वर्ब जो है ना उसको यूज़ किया गया है, was eating. And strong verb is man scooped his lunch. This is strong verb. Scooped is strong verb. Second, Katie is a lover of cats. This is the weak verb. Katie adores cats. This is strong verb. Third example, the girl was crying. This is weak verb. The strong verb is the girl sobbed. Hope you understand well about the strong verbs. Thank you so much. Jazakallah.